Seclusion means being separate from other people, or privacy. A private island will offer you the perfect seclusion. It will offer you the perfect privacy. Seclusion, privacy. People who need seclusion tend to get away from other people. His house is placed far back from the property lines and offers a great sense of seclusion. Seclusion, privacy. Moratorium, unauthorized suspension or stopping of some specific activity. Moratorium, unauthorized suspension or stopping of some specific activity. Maria Sharapova had a moratorium on playing tennis after a positive drug test. So it means she was suspended. The moratorium on cutting the trees was claimed by the government because it's ruining our environment. So it's an authorized suspension. Moratorium. Sage is a noun, which means a mentor who gives you wise advice. Adjective, wise, smart. I don't train with anybody but him. He is my sage. So this means that he is my mentor who gives me wise advices. Sage, wise, smart. Thanks to the sage advice of my partner, I didn't sign that terrible job contract. It was a sage advice. Renegade. Renegade is a noun. It means someone who abandons a movement and becomes its opponent. It means rebels or outlaws. To have a better vision of this word, you can listen to two famous songs. One is by Eminem and Jay-Z, which is named Renegade, and the other one is by X-Ambassadors, which is named Renegade. A renegade is someone who abandons a movement and becomes its opponent. So a bunch of renegade activists gathered to protest against the failed system. Trinket. Trinket is something small with little value. Trinket is a small, inexpensive thing. It can be a keychain, buttons, or even some magnets you put in your fridge. But it is symbolic. He brought some trinkets from his trip in Paris. Fans should drop their trinkets before entering the stadium. So trinkets are those little things, not much valuable, but symbolic. You usually use for a memory when you're in a holiday or something like that. So trinket, something small with little value.